Hey everyone, and welcome to Cloud Dux. This is my attempt to be an IT tech destination for all you aspiring cybersecurity and IT professionals. My name is Harry, and I've been in the IT industry now for about 8 years and counting. I've gone from help desk support all the way into senior cybersecurity roles and senior infrastructure engineering roles. I've done cloud engineering as well. I've done some networking. I've got a pretty good exposure to a large array of environments and infrastructure and technologies at this point, and I'm really keen to share that with you guys and hopefully help teach you guys some stuff along the way and maybe just show you some really cool stuff that I find interesting. This is an opportunity for us all to learn and share and grow together. So if you're keen for that stuff, feel free to subscribe. We're happy to have you along for the journey. So grab your coffee or your drink of choice, grab a keyboard, a mouse, and a computer, sit down, relax, and I'll see you in the next video.